I want to get you on the record. The CDC changed up the rules a little bit today. They want to put all people over 65 at the new head of the new line, and I am assuming you view this as a good step.
We certainly need to be speeding up the distribution of the vaccination process. We're simply not going fast enough right now. And by adding people who are over 65, not necessarily ahead of healthcare workers or long-term care facilities, but alongside them, I think that's a really important step. And then it's really up to states to figure out how to implement that on the ground.
Dr. Jha of Brown University was on television today urging states not to bog this down in bureaucracy and paperwork, reminding everybody the job is herd immunity. The job is enough shots in enough arms of enough Americans. And that brings us to Joe Biden. He's made a bold pledge, 100 million shots in his first 100 days. He has also said he is willing, unlike the current president, to marshal all the resources of the presidency. So are you optimistic he will be able to hit that goal?
Look, right now, with 4,000 people dying a day, we don't really have a choice. This is unacceptable that you have more people dying every day that died on 9/11. And if you continue to see those kinds of numbers, it won't take that long, not even that first 100 days, before we end up doubling the death toll. So the president-elect is very committed to getting those 100 million shots into people's arms by 100 days.
Final question. Folks watching tonight, let's say ages 40 to 60, otherwise good health. Give a ballpark date. Is there a month? Is there a season of 2021 where they can expect the line will get to them?
You know, this is a bit of a crystal ball kind of situation, but my best guess would be late spring, perhaps early summer, that we would be getting to those healthy people, middle-aged people who don't have chronic medical conditions. But we have a lot of work to do between now and then.
Hey there, I'm Chris Hayes from MSNBC. Thanks for watching MSNBC on YouTube. If you want to keep up to date with the videos we're putting out, you can click subscribe just below me or click over on this list to see lots of other great videos.